Good evening, BB Nation. My name is Ryan. Always a pleasure. When I was doing the live stream earlier today, an individual gave me a stock. This company just IPO'd a few days ago, actually. It's in a hot space right now. Cyber security. A lot of growth potential with this company. However, there are some concerns, some underlying concerns when it comes to this position. The position we're going to talk about tonight, ntsk, Netskope. The company IPO'd around $19, raising close to $10 billion after the IPO. The enthusiasm from that IPO lasted for a few days, but now the stock's on a pullback. And after looking at the intraday chart this afternoon, I wanted to put a potential trade setup on your radar. And I will be honest, the AC is out in the office, and this video is going to be quick and to the point. So let's get started. Now we're in the VectorVest 7 software to give you a breakdown of this position under pressure today. We only value the stock at $2, currently it's trading at $23, way overvalued. Now as far as RVRS, fundamental analysis, low ratings, speculative play. If you don't have the stomach for volatility, probably not the position for you. But even for my swing traders coming out with an RT, this is a technical indicator on a 0 to 2 scale. Because it's below 1 right now, the favor of the short-term price trend is that with the bears right now. So I could show you exactly the trade setup occurring in the near future. Now we're looking at the stock chart of Netskope. This is intraday data over the last 5 trading days since the IPO. You can see the enthusiasm coming out of the gate. However, the bulls, they kind of ran for the hills here, right? Retreating from those highs around $28, now at $23. This is what I want you to look at. Descending triangle, right? You could see the trend line here to the downside, but also look at the 200 intra candlestick moving average here. This 200 candlestick moving average. If we take a look, rejection, rejection, rejection. See the bottom? Right now I've got a double touch. Looking for a triple? The bottom is around 23.67. This stock is going to move and shake when it breaks out. So if it breaks out to the downside, I'm going to get bearish on this position. But if we get a fakie, and I have a feeling we might just get a little bit of fakie, look for price action to break above this descending trend line and the 200-day moving average for a potential quick swing trade to have on your radar come over the next few days this week. But as we're taking a look, price action breaking below this 23.67. Again, right now we got 5 minutes left into the close. If we get price action open tomorrow below the 23 level, hey, I would get bearish on this position. Be careful. Otherwise, if we get price action above this descending trend line and above that 200 intraday moving average, that would give me some optimism for a quick parabolic move to the upside and potentially make some profit. But otherwise, if you are comfortable with shorting stocks or playing to the downside of positions here, you could always see if there's any options available on Netskope. Otherwise, see if the stock is available to short in your brokerage, because we are getting that breakout as of right now. But again, I'm wanting the confirmation tomorrow. Just because we're getting some volatility at the end of the day doesn't mean that I'm convinced of the move quite yet. If you found the video informative, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow evening. Good night.